Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. Welcome to Throwback Thursday. This is a little weekly series that I do on my blog where we dig back into our stash of beautiful older papers, dyes, products, tools, techniques, and we make something fresh and new. Last week, I made our September banner with Graphic 45's beautiful Time to Flourish collection, and I had just enough scraps left to put together a little card. This one I had to get really clever on. Because of time interest, I've already done the inside, but the card is 5 by 7 with a 1/4 inch spine. This is from the 12 by 12, and all I did was score this ledger sheet at 4 3/4 inches and fold it over so that it would fit in here. And this gives you room to write a little message or tuck in a photo or whatever. As you can see, I've pieced things together, but I think it turned out really pretty. We have a pocket on the bottom. I use this sticker here. This is authentic, old authentic spectrum paper that I had in my stash. This is the color Cobblestone, which I thought looked really pretty with the blues and the reds, so I pulled that out. And then we took a 4 by 4 image and we made it into a little gift card, tea wallet, and you've seen me do those a million different times. So I didn't have time today. This is birthday month. And I have 3 birthdays in 10 days, plus deadlines. So I'm just going to show you how to put the cover of this beautiful card together with this paper. The first thing I did was cut a 4 7/8 by 6 7/8 inch panel of red. This is also authentic paper. The color is called, oh, it's been a long time since I've used these, red licorice. And then I did a 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. I had one big piece of my Graphic 45 left. So I put the blue down. Then I brought in the September ledger sheet or calendar sheet, journal sheet. And these are Annette Green's small doilies that I cut out just of white paper and cut in half. Those are going to become a feature, as you'll see. And then I have this little tag from the 8 by 8. I just had bunches of little bits and bobs. So I want to just show you kind of how to piece together a beautiful card. Even though maybe you don't have a ton of big pieces of paper left, you can still do it. So I've put this on the back, and then I've got foam tape on the back of my panel. And I'm going to put this down on the diagonal from this corner to this corner, just like that. Then from the 12 by 12, I had this beautiful apple image. I just kind of fussy cut around this one edge and then matted it on both the cobblestone and the red licorice. I've also put a half a doily back behind there and foam tape. And we're going to put this down going the opposite angle, but I want my little daisies to show. Then I have these beautiful Rene Bouquet's daisy tuck-ins to go with the daisy images in this paper collection. And we're just going to start placing these around. This is also from the 12 by 12. I think it's the 12 by 12. It might be the 8 by 8. I matted this on our red licorice and bumped it up with foam tape. That's going to go right there. I have little daisies to go right here. Just to kind of build on the daisy theme. I took this little daisy charm, tied it on a bit of red twine, and I've got a big red button from my stash. And this is going to go right here. Oops. And I want my daisy. There we go. There we go. All right, and then over here I've tied a bow. This is a super fast tutorial, you guys, because I've been in the studio all day. I have laundry to fold and dinner to cook, and I'm going to have to edit this and everything else, so I'm being super fast. But it's fun for you, I think, to see that you can quickly put together a beautiful card. This is a Renee Bouquet's butterfly. Just want to add that little bit of shimmer and shine right there above the apples. And then I have one more sweet little daisy. I forget where I had this. I had it figured out where I wanted to put it. That looks good. Just like that. And that is it. That's all she wrote, but so pretty. And I love just the little soft touches of the white, the little daisies peeking out. This will go on the cover of our craft card. And look how pretty that is. So there you go, guys. Using up the last little bit of my Graphic 45 September Time to Flourish paper. Super quick and easy little card tutorial, giving you some ideas for ways that you can use your scraps to make something beautiful. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Go get your craft on. Bye.